Hello. So we're continuing with previous videos. Um, in the last video, we learned how to say and write 5-digit number in words. So in this lesson, we're going to learn how to say and write 6-digit numbers in words. But before we go into that, let's just do one example to remind ourselves or to refresh ourselves on how to write a 5-digit number in words. So let me pick a random 5-digit number. Let's say 28439. Remember, with a 5-digit number, a good starting point is to make the last digits zero. Imagine the last 3 digits as zero. So you have 28 with 30 or 28 with 3 zeros. So you keep the first 2 digits, the last 3 digits, make them zero. So you now say this in words. Easy to say this in words. Remember, 1,000 has 3 zeros. So this clearly is 28,000. This number here represents 1,000 28 times. 28 times 1,000. 28 lots of 1,000. So this is 28,000. So we say 28,000, comma. Then you now say this number here in words. This clearly is 439. This digit of 4 is in the hundreds place value. So the value of this 4 is 400. This 3 is in the tens place value. So the value of this digit 3 is 30. This 9 is in the units. This digit of 9 is in the units or the ones place value. So the value of that digit of 9 is actually 9. So this is 439. So far we have 28,000, comma, then you now say 439. 439. Make sure your spellings are correct, because in an examination, you could lose marks if your spelling is not correct. I've mentioned that in previous video. Now, we're going on to learn how to write 6-digit numbers in words. It follows exactly the same principle as this one. Nothing more is going to change, as you will soon see. Nothing more is going to change. So let's take this off. Let's take some random 6-digit number. 369752. So, just like with 5-digit numbers, this time keep the first 3 digits and make the last 3 digits zero. So it's kind of like a 50-50 situation here. Last 3 digits zero, first 3 digits keep them the same. So 369000. Yeah. So remember, anything with 3 zeros like this, thousands come into mind. And everybody who has been listening to the previous videos can say this number in words. Imagine that these 3, 6, and 9 are not are over here in this place value area. So you say 369. So even though this 3, 6, and 9 is not actually 369, but remember you're going to say 369,000. Yeah. So you say 300. So this number here is 369,000. That's 369 lots of 1,000. So you say 369,000. Just to repeat, this number is 369,000. It's obviously not 369. It is 369,000. 369,000, comma, and then you now say this number in words. 700 and 50. Practice makes perfect. So you just give yourself any random 6-digit numbers and write it in words. The previous lessons, give yourself any random 5-digit numbers, write it in words. Just look at my videos and you'll be able to write it in words. Let's do another 6-digit number, another random 6-digit number. The good thing with these videos is that you could always play back. You play back, you can rewind, you can go a few minutes back, to capture something that escaped your mind or whatever. That's the beauty of using videos as a learning tool. You could always rewind and go back. Maybe you are distracted for a few minutes, maybe 3 minutes you are distracted, maybe a phone call or whatever, or maybe somebody's talking to you while you're learning or whatever, and you are trying to multitask, but you ended up missing out on a few things. When that person leaves, you just rewind and go back. Yeah. Okay. So another 6-digit number. Let's say 872633. That's a random 6-digit number I just wrote down on the board. Remember the first step, 50-50 split. Because it's a 6-digit number, 50-50 split. First 3 digits, retain the first 3 digits. The last 3 digits, imagine them to be zeros. So you have 872000. So you can now say this one in words easily because it ends with 3 zeros. That immediately makes you think of thousands. And by now you should be able to say this 3-digit number in words, but you must add the thousands at the end. So you can see that this is 872, but 872,000. It's not just 872. It would have been just 872 if the 872 was on this side of the place value chart. 2 units, 7 tens, 8 hundreds. But it is 872,000. So you write that in words. 872,000, comma, then you now say these last 3 digits in words. 633. 633. That's how to write a 6-digit number in words. Let's do one more, and then maybe in this video we have time to write a 7-digit number in words. And we'll stop there. We won't go any further from that. The whole principle further than that will be the same. But as I said in previous videos, you will not be given so much large numbers to handle. So we'll stop at 7 digits, but let's do one more 6-digit number. Let's say you're given 2, 6, 4, 7, 5, 8. 6-digit number, 50-50 split. First 3 digits, keep them. Last 3 digits, imagine them to be zeros. We have 264000. So that clearly is 264,000, because you can say this as a three. You can say this in words. By now, you should be able to say a 3-digit number in words. So you have 264 264,000, comma, and then you say this number over there in words. 758. 750. So that's how to write 6-digit numbers in words. Let's now move on to the last part, writing a 7-digit number in words. And in the next video, then we can now start doing the reverse. This time we'll have numbers in words, and then we'll learn how to write them in digits. It will be easier because we already know how to do this one. So doing the reverse will be kind of easier and very, very straightforward. Let's write a 7-digit number on the board. Seven, 6, 3, 2, 4, 5, 1. That's a 7-digit number. Now, with the 7-digit number, the rule changes to what it was before. With a 7-digit number, keep only the first digit and make the others 0. So 7, and make all these ones 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. You can now clearly see we've gone into the millions. Because remember, from the first set of lessons, 6 zeros represent millions. So this clearly is 7 million. So we've already gone into the millions now. So you write 7 million first, 7 million, comma. And then you now write this 6-digit number in words, exactly like we have done in the previous video to this. Follow the same principle in writing this 6-digit number left behind, write it in words. So 7 million, and then write that in words. And remember, 6-digit number, 50-50 split kind of thing. First 3 digits, keep it. Last 3 digits, make them zeros. And so you're going to have 632,000. Yeah? 6, 3, 2, make this one zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. Keep the first 3, make the last 3 0. So 632,000. So you see 632,000, comma again, 451. 451. And there we have it. Let's do one more example of a 6-digit number. And I'm going to make it similar to one we did in a previous video. Let's go this time with 7 7 7 7 7 7. We want a 6-digit. Is this 7-digit number? 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7-digit number. Sorry. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We want to write that number in words. So keep the first digit 7. Make the other ones 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So that clearly is 7 million. Remember, 6 zeros is a million. So you say 7 million, comma, and then you say this 5. Then you now say this remaining 6 digits. You say that in words, which we have done before. 50-50 split. Keep the first 3 digits, and then make the last 3 digits 0. So that's 7770000. You say that in words. So that's 777,000, comma, then you now say this in words. 777. Okay, so let's end it there, and I'll see you in the next video.